This will shock the hell out of you. A 2023 study of more than 500,000 people over 10 years showed that osmotic laxatives are associated with up to a 60% increase in dementia. That alone should tell you don't want to be on laxatives long term, right? Right. Now let's go to stimulant laxatives. Stimulant laxatives turn the system down. They form dependency. They actually turn the signaling down. Number 3, the problem with just taking laxatives for constipation is a symptom that your system is slowing down. It's your body telling you there's a problem. And just slapping a Band-Aid on it, which is this all laxatives are, it's not a long-term solution. Putting a Band-Aid on it is not addressing the fact that there is another issue going on you need to address. A slow system in general is connected to GERD, SIBO, SIFO, Candida overgrowth, IBS, and a dozen other things or more. Metabolic issues, all kinds of issues, poor immune function, okay? So just not addressing it is not the answer. Yes, if you need to go to the bathroom today, take a laxative, but long-term, not the answer. There are 4 keys to addressing constipation or turning your system on correctly. The first 2 are just common sense. 1, water. Number 2, walking, movement. People need more water and they need to be moving more. This isn't a surprise to anybody. Number 3 actually shocked the hell out of me. More than 90% of Americans are deficient in fiber. They just are. You need fiber. I don't care what anybody's saying on social media. You have to have fiber. You do. So there are studies out there of like one person over a short period of time, when they stop taking carbs in, the system, the inflammation and stuff dropped. That doesn't mean that removing all fiber is good. It doesn't mean that's conclusive. A one-person study over a short period of time, or people saying they feel better when they're not on fiber or carbs, that doesn't mean that all fiber is bad and that your microbiome doesn't need fiber. It 100% does. So the third key, you have to get enough fiber. Average Americans are getting less than 15 grams of fiber. You need to be getting north of 30 grams of fiber. If you follow the protein to fiber ratio, which you should go research, you need 1 gram of fiber for every 4 grams of protein. Fact. The fourth key to addressing constipation or a slow system is to improve signaling. Signaling is a huge thing. Now that's an all-encompassing comment. Signaling means you need to increase bile flow. You help the parasympathetic nervous system, the gut-brain axis. You should be helping improve serotonin, reduce cortisol. You should be improving motilin, gastrin production, all of those things. A peristalsis, the movement of everything moving through your system so that you feel good, that is signaling. You need those 4 things. We address those things without laxatives very effectively and actually very quickly. So the first product is called motility, not a laxative. By the way, people are like, you're just replacing products with products. But one, you stay on forever and it doesn't address the problem. This addresses the problem and you get off of it, and it's effectively, this is our signaling product. So you know how I said you need to increase bile secretion, help the parasympathetic nervous system. You need to help the gut-brain axis. You need to help restore the signaling like motilin, gastrin, peristalsis, motility. 2 ingredients, both clinically studied, extremely effective. Now it just becomes you got to take the right dose. The next product, Ultimate Fiber. This is not a standard fiber. This is 15 grams of very tolerable low FODMAP fiber. So you don't obviously jump on it taking too much suddenly. That would be stupid. But 15 grams of fiber, at least you're getting halfway there with 1 scoop. Those standard fiber supplements are like 4 to 6 grams. That ain't gonna work, okay? And not only that, you jump on like inulin at a high dose, that's gonna tear you to pieces, right? So once again, not all fiber is the same. So the answer to your constipation problems, water, walking, taking enough motility to reestablish signaling, and Ultimate Fiber. Remember, you need 30 grams or more of fiber a day. You need a fiber that you can take that's not going to cause difficulty. Comment motility below. We will give you all the data. I will prove that you need fiber. I will give you the data on the ingredients. There's no obligation. We're not chasing you. It's not a marketing gimmick. We don't do that type of shit at Silver Fern Brand. Once again, in conclusion, you need to turn the damn system on or you're going to have gut problems for freaking eternity. Please do it. Please do it right. Then you can move on to other gut issues like a cleanup. Here's a tip. Turning on your system is what you need to do before a cleanup in order for stuff to be able to be moved out. Otherwise, it recirculates. Just a tip up front, okay? You're welcome. Bye.